my channel. In my last video, I have discussed about the installation of Numpy module as well as we have created a simple single dimensional array using Numpy module. Now, moving a bit forward, let us create two-dimensional and three-dimensional arrays in using Numpy module. So, let me import my Numpy module first. I use import keyword, import Numpy, and I'm having my alias name to be np. Now I'll name my array to be dim_array is equals to, I'll use np.array function, open parenthesis, and I'll have an array, and within that I'll have another array as I want to create a two-dimensional array here, 1, 2, 3, and give comma and then 4, 5, 6. This is a two-dimensional array with 3 elements in each row. Now I'll run. Yeah, our array has been created, but let me print my value, print dim_array. Okay, I'll run my program now. It's been running, yeah. It has returned a two-dimensional array with 3 elements for each array. Now, Numpy arrays also have an attribute named shape, which returns the shape of the corresponding our Numpy array. Okay. Now I want to print the shape of my array. I'll use my array name first and then I'll give my attribute. Sorry, I'll remove this here. I'll run my program now. Yeah, it has returned me a tuple with having number of corresponding elements, that is we have 3 elements in each array, and we have 2 arrays, that is we have 2 rows in our array. Okay, now in the same way we can create another row here. I'll run my program again. Yeah, it's a 3 by 3 array which has 3 rows and 3 elements within each row. Now I want to reshape my array from one-dimensional array to a 3-dimensional or 2-dimensional array. Can I do that? Yeah, of course you can do that. Let me change it to a one-dimensional array, and again I'll reshape it to a 3-dimensional or 2-dimensional array. Firstly, remember that you can't change the whole dimension of an array. You can just copy the array and change its shape within another array. Okay, the dim_array will remain same even after reshaping our array. So I'll name another array, new array is equals to, I'll have my name of the array dim_array dot reshape. I want my array to be, I have 9 values, right? I'll give it 3 by 3. Now I'll print my new array. I'll run my program now. Run arrays. It's been running. Yeah, our 3-dimensional array has been returned. Now let us print the first original array. Let us see if it has changed or not. I have said that our original array do not change, right? Let us see how far that is true. Yeah, our first here, let us see, our first array is a single dimensional array and the second array is a 2-dimensional array with 3 rows and 3 elements for each array. Okay, Now I want to convert my array to a three-dimensional array. Now I'll give another dimension. I'll take it to be 1 here. I'll run my program again. Yeah, it has returned me a three-dimensional array which has 3 arrays within an array, and which in turn again contain 3 arrays, and which contain 1 element within each array. I'll repeat it again. An array which contains 3 arrays, which each again contains 3 arrays again, and these arrays contain 1 element each. This may be a bit confusing. Just recap again, you'll get into it. Now, as you can create 2-dimensional arrays or 3-dimensional arrays, it doesn't mean that you can have any kind of dimensions or any kind of number of elements or number of arrays you want. Now, I'll change it to 2 and I'll run it again. Run arrays. Yeah, cannot reshape array of size 9 into shape 3 by 3 by 2. Okay, so remember that the number of elements of your array must correspondingly match with the shape of your array. Now, I don't know the dimension of the third one. Firstly, here when I have given 2, it has written me an error. I can't calculate, I am very poor at mathematics, so I can't calculate the dimensions accurately. So in that case, give -1 when you don't know the dimension, that is the unknown dimension. Now I'll run it again. Yeah, it has again returned a 3 by 3 by 1 array. So if you don't know the dimension, you can have -1 in that place. Okay, now I want my new array to be converted to the old array again. I want to reshape, that is I want to flatten the array. I want my 3-dimensional array again converted to 1-dimensional array. How can I do that? First, I'll name it as old array is equals to new array dot reshape of use -1 here. Here we have used a 3 dimensions 3 by 3 by -1, that is the unknown dimension 1. Here use -1 to convert a 3-dimensional or 2-dimensional array to again a single dimensional array. I'll run my program again, run arrays. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to print my array. Print old array. I'll run my program again. Yeah, it has again flattened our array, right? So in this way you can flatten array, you can change your array to two-dimensional, three-dimensional, and when you don't know the dimensions, you can give -1 in that place. And remember that if you want to give a particular dimensions without any unknown dimension, then remember that the number of elements must correspond with the shape of the array. Okay, otherwise it returns an error. So today we have seen how to create 2-dimensional arrays and how to create 3-dimensional arrays, and how to reshape single dimensional arrays to 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional arrays, and how to again flatten our 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional arrays to a single dimensional array. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we shall see some operations on Numpy arrays. Until then, stay tuned for more Python tutorial videos. Subscribe to my channel, and also if you have any doubts, reach me out at the comment section. Also, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.